者の皆さん、こんにちは。私は自分の DIY ピンクのドレスを作るように私に参加してください。思ったほど簡単ではありません。さて、最善を尽くして、この美しいドレスを作りましょう。
Living life every day.
Hello, fellow adventurers! We are here today for our DIY. Yes po. So, the best way to, budget our money, especially for us, doll collectors, yes, adult doll collectors, ay ang mag-DIY, yes. So, I got this cloth, okay, from Gaisano Mall, and it's really very nice. It's pink. I think this is satin. But anyway, it's a very nice cloth. And then, I also got this one. Yes. So, I was hoping to make this for the new year. Unfortunately, na-busy po tayo. So, we were unable to make our doll clothes. Yes. But, I have here Pinku, yes. So, for the others, we had an unboxing of her. She is a Licca-chan doll, yes. Okay, from Japan. And she's actually wearing a very simple dress here because I don't want her to be naked. Okay, so anyway, so what we're going to do, we're going to make a pink dress for her because after all, she's Pinku. So she will be totally legally pink. Yes. So, sige po. Samahan niyo ako. Join me and let's go. So we're going to make a very simple pink dress. Okay? So, here is the dress na natapos na po natin. So, I'm very happy kasi natapos na rin. Actually, late na po to natapos kasi we've been doing a lot lately. Yes. Okay. So, new year, new mindset. Ika nga. So, anyway, I'm very happy kasi natapos na rin. And as you can see, maganda po yung combination. So, the cloth combination is really nice. And I like the design. See, it's all sparkly with the pink circles there. And for us, pink is a very nice color. And circle, for me, is like coins. So, more coins to come. O, diba? Yes. So, we have here Pinku. Hello. So, she is wearing her outfit. So, ito po yung outfit that comes with her in the box. So, we're going to remove this and we'll make sure Pinku will like her suit. So, let's go! Yay! So, here she is, Pinku, with her dress. Okay, you can see that she is all pink. Yeah, so, wow, Pinku, okay, is really very beautiful. So, sa nakikita nyo naman po, okay naman yung dress. Nagkataon na parang hindi pantay kasi yung kanyang design is slanting. Yes. Now, she's got her pink shoes and she's all pink. She's ready for the Spring Festival. So, Pinku, if she's a rabbit, would be a pink rabbit. Pink everything. What do you think? Ang ganda na niya, no? So, ito lang po talaga, guys. If we can't afford to buy new clothes for our dolls and we are into fashion, we can make dresses for our dolls. Apo. So, like me, I don't use a sewing machine. Pahing kamay lang talaga. See, you can see that. So, we need patience when making our doll clothes. And of course, the quality of the cloth is important. Yes, yun nga lang po. If you have nice clothing material, the dress will really come out very beautifully. So, anyway, salamat mga fellow adventurers. Hanggang sa muli. Kita-kits na lang. Paalam! Bye!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.